So next topic 10.4 self-respect movement or சுயமரியாதை இயக்கம். The self-respect movement was started in 1925 A.V. Ramasamy Periyas, and it is this movement mainly advocated a casteless society. He advocated the casteless society and it avoided the rituals and differences based on the birth. So advocated the casteless society and it avoid all of the rituals and differences based on the birth. The self-respect movement declared the rationalities and the self-respect as the birthrights of all the human being and held this up as more important than self-rule. So mainly for the rationality and self-respect to the birthrights of all the human birthrights of all the human beings. All the human beings, mainly the self-respect movement focus on the birthrights and heard these of the more importance of the self-rules. The self-respect movement mainly declared the illiteracy as a source of women's illiteracy. So self-respect movement that declared the illiteracy as a source of women, the subordinations, and demanded that so all the women's is compulsory in the education, elementary schools education. The self-respect movement, the mainly focus for the all the women's compulsory in the elementary schools educations. And the self-respect movement, the women's emancipations, mainly the women's emancipations, and deplored the superstitions, mainly the self-respect movement, the emancipations, superstitions, and emphasized by the rationalities. The self-respect movement advocated the self-respect marriage. After that, the self-respect movement campaigned not only the causes of the non-Brahmins Hindu, but also the supported in the Muslims. The Muslims, the extolled the Loti, the principles, the same principles. The self-respect movement, E.V. Ramasamy Periyas principles and the Islam principles also the same principles. The Loti principles of the Islam, such as equality, the birth of equality and brotherhood. So this is the main themes of the self-respect movement. The self-respect movement mainly focus for the casteless society and divided the rituals and the mainly all the women's the compulsory the primary education, study in the primary educations and the rationalities like that. Thank you.